How to edit draft video of TikTok. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your TikTok app. After that, make sure you are logged in with your account. In order to check whether you are logged in or not, you have to tap on the profile which is in the right lower corner. So if you are logged in, then you may have saved your draft. So in order to edit the draft, you have to tap in open the draft video. Again, you have to tap on the draft over there, and after opening the draft video, you will be able to see the various options in the upper section. So in the first option there is a music, so you have to tap on that, and from over there you can select the music which you want to put in your video. It is also recommended, or you can also swipe to the favorites, and from over there you can select your favorite sounds for your TikTok video. Similarly, if you want to enter any kind of text or caption on your video, then you can tap on text option, and from over there you can write the text on various styles. And after that, if you want to add any kind of stickers on your video, then you can tap on stickers which is right next to the text. And from over here you can also search for gifs, and you can also swipe to emoji and use various emojis from over there. And if you want to use any filters for your TikTok video, then you can swipe to filters, and you can select the appropriate filter that you like or that you want to put on your TikTok video. After that, you can simply tap on arrow option and post it in your TikTok. So by this simple step, you can edit your draft video on TikTok. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.